Today we'll talk about how can you link uh, with your partner on your flow up. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click here on partner down here, just click on it. So when you click on partner, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then can you find this list here? Just click on link your partner here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You will find here this code. Just click here on set pairing code here to your partner here. So can you share it with your partner in this list here? Like you see, this list show for you. You share it with your partner here. So or share this code. Then here, if you want to resend the code here, I can. So then automatically here it's going to link your partner when you share with him this code, and he will add this code in his app. Then automatically we link you on your flow up. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.